Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're off to the MCN's Motorbike Festival 2022. So sit back, relax and come along for the ride. Got Amy, my pillion today, who's also going to be my camera woman, who is getting on great with her Suzuki 125. Hopefully we're going to get her on the big bike. So really looking forward to getting over there today. Hopefully all the manufacturers will be there. We'll both get to jump on a few bikes and hopefully spend a few quid. I've got my dad here on the triple black 1250 GS, brand new bike for him. It's probably going to be the first time out in the wet. And then I've got Paul over there on the another GS. I've never seen such clean GSs in my life. They've done absolutely no adventure touring. Today they might see a bit of rain, so let's see how we get on. Yeah, these GSs have got some torque. I think they've got more torque than this Multistrada. We're lost. I think there's only two roads. Yeah, this is the one. I think we should be getting onto the A1 in a second, which is this one, and then it's a bit of a short trip down here. And the good thing about this bike, when you pull onto these dual carriageways, you got that blind spot detection, which just, I think it's a fantastic. They should have that standard on all bikes. I'm pretty sure it will be in over the next few years. Well, yeah, the old man's not hanging around. He's really getting a bat on. Look at him go. So right, here we are then, guys. So yeah, as soon as you walk in, we're presented with the one and only Ducati. So yeah, the GS boys, my dad is just cleared straight off into the BMW area, but let's face it, guys, this is the only area you need to be in. I'm guessing this is where you can you book your test rides out in the Ducati area. Looks like we've got the V4S Multistradas and the V4S Multistradas over at the back there. So we've got the Kawasaki's here. This guy's here is on the Ninja H2. These are all, again, bikes that you can just get your name down for and go for a ride. So the Triumphs. Yeah, they're going to give us a 10 on.
Yes, keyless. I'll go through it with you in a second. So that's all set up for you. Okay.
Yeah, the Speed Triple RS 1200, bit of a beast of a bike. Got the Explorers. And then the CCMs, beautiful bikes.
Okay. So, actually, I'll go through it yourself.
Okay, so here's Amy's sort of next bike, or she's hoping anyway, so get on, try it out. See if she can touch the floor. Can you get your toes down? Yeah, I think also with this bike you can get a lower seat and the lower suspension kit. What do you think? How do you feel? Is this the one?
It is. It's nice and thin here.
Okay, so we're going to need one of these. And you just see my new track bike over here as well.
Honestly, if you can, test ride.
This could be the one. Just go get me the keys. We'll take it for a quick spin. Okay, so we're looking at about 26,000 for one of these. But like all bikes, you know, we're going to have to get rid of the tail, put the tail tidy on it. But yeah, definitely potential. This is going to be probably number one on my list of bikes. There you go, Amy's trying out the V2 Street Fighter. What do you think to the riding position of that?
It's a lot wider than the Monster here.
Yeah, I think the Monster's definitely got a slimmer seat tank. Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to taking one of these out for a test ride. I don't think it's going to compare with the power of the V4, but yeah, definitely be an interesting comparison. I think the first thing I'd do is put the wings on it just to make it a bit more aggressive. But I'm not sure on the brake horsepower is on these. I think they're about 150. But I think it's probably more than enough for the street.
Oh yes, yeah. Check it out.
Yeah, I'm really liking the display on that. So yeah, this is where you can book onto the Multistradas or the V2 Multistradas. Go get a test ride. And last not least, the Devitt 1260S.
Right, I better go and find out where we go.
So we've got another potential track bike there, the BMW S1000RR. Actually, this is the first time I've sat on one of these sports bikes, and this actually feels more comfortable than the Panigale, dare I say it. No, can't touch the floor. It's a nice looking bike. It'd be certainly a good contender for the next one. Yeah, I'm liking this 1000RR. I think I might have to tap my mate Phil up, who I was out with last weekend, and have a go on his before I make any decisions on a track bike. Yeah, let's go have a look at these Hondas. Just come and have a look at these this spec here on this Fireblade. So this SP 30th anniversary is coming out at 215 brake horsepower, 10 mil shorter than the Panigale and 201 kilo of weight. Yeah, this is going to be a beast of a bike, but at £24,000. I'm not sure if you get the acro cam with that, but definitely another contender for my track bike. Yeah, this is going to be a fast bike.
Yeah. It is.
These are numbered bikes as well. This could be the one. I might just need one of everything.
Like, no, don't. That's titanium.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
no weight in that.
No, that's
whatsoever. You change the way the bike operates.
the Krapovich, or the Kropovich, or the acro can,
Yes.
however you want to say it.
Krapovic.
A Krapovic. Is that the correct pronunciation? I get slated for that
Most
every
people
time.
go Aki.
Yeah, I've always known it as Akrapovic, but
That's
I
it.
get slated for that now.
Yeah,
But
Krapovic. It's the crap bit that they come out with.
Yeah.
People go, really? Yeah, that's the way they actually pronounce it.
yeah, it's a beautiful bike,
Primarily, it's you see the valve system
right?
on that exhaust. So literally, when it gets up to about 5,500, 6,000 revs, air open one. Then you get up to about 8, air open up the second one, and then it's just straight through.
Wow. So it just screams then.
Oh, you can hear it. You hear the note change.
Is that how they get you around this all this Euro 5 and 6
It's a track bike.
emissions? It's
Yeah,
a track bike. I know.
I make no
this-
bones about it. It's a track bike.
Yeah.
Went
Well-
one again yesterday, so
I mean, I've got a Street Fighter V4S, and
yeah. Oh, nice.
I'm putting that on track on Tuesday at Donington
Yeah.
Park.
Oh,
And,
yeah, the boys are all there at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because Donington Park is next BSB next
Right.
weekend.
Oh, of course it is, yeah.
That's where all
Yeah.
the blades are at the moment.
So yeah, I'm going to probably make a decision after that. The problem I've got is I'm a bit limited on where I can take the bike because of the noise. It doesn't help the fact I've put like an arrow system on it.
Oh, really?
It's a bit too loud now, to be honest.
Your neighbours are like, oh, the bike started again.
Yeah, I mean,
It's a lovely bike, though.
it is a beautiful bike.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful bike,
Tank
but
range is a little bit low on them, though, isn't it?
it's dreadful.
It's about 85, 90.
I've had it lower. I've had it lower than that.
One of my customers came back. He buys loads of bikes. He changes every year, and he like, I bought it to go backwards and forwards to work. He said, but I'll get to work. He said, coming halfway, I've got to fill it up again. So he's come back
Yeah.
for another Africa twin
I've-
front,
I
stunning
mean,
bike. And when I
yeah,
walk
I
by
mean-
it, when I come around the corner, I'm like,
Yeah.
it's just a beautiful motorcycle.
I mean, they're all up in this higher price range now. And,
They are, yeah.
But yeah, I think I'm going to have to bite the bullet at some point. I think Tuesday will be the decider for me. And
Well, the winglets really work. If you get to ride it when you're over there, you get to about 110, 115, you feel the whole front end being pulled down.
yeah, I can actually touch the floor on this one. 650R. Yeah, that's not a bad price. How do you feel for the riding position?
It's quite leant over. My
Yeah.
bike's a lot more upright. This is quite sporty.
Yeah, this I don't think this is the full-on sports bike, but yeah, it's a bit more upright, but yeah, more sportier. Right, so we've got all the KTM's in here. Again, it's a bike I've never owned. I do love the look of them, and I know they are a beast of a bike. But the one thing I know about these KTM's, especially the adventure bikes, they are a lot taller. You know, there's no way I'm getting my feet down on them. Yeah, even I can't touch the floor. So this is the KTM 390 Adventurer. Now this would be a good stepping stone from the 125 for the next one. It'd be an interesting ride. But they do come tall, these KTM's. But like everything, there's always ways around it. I'm sure there's a lower seat option. It's a nicer riding position though, ain't it? It's a bit more upright, as adventure bikes are. So yeah, we're just doing the seat comparison. So we've got, you can see that 855mm on that one, and actually this KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is actually shorter at 849 and adjustable to 869mm. So right, yeah, Amy's in control of the KTM 1290 Super Adventure, and I tell you what, I don't feel safe on the back. Very skillful. And if you fancy a pint, check this out for a bar. How cool's that? There's the official sponsors for the festival. It's now called Devitt MCN Motorcycle Festival. And if you fancy an electric bike, then this is what this sort of store holds. But as you can see, they've not got many that are crowding over the bikes on this particular bit. I just don't think we're quite ready for this, in my opinion. But let's see what the future holds with it. So right here at the Triumph stand, we've got the Triumph Tiger Rally Rally Pro 1200, and then to the right of that, the new Tiger 1200 GT Pro. Very similar on prices. Obviously this one's got the spoke wheels. Again, both beautiful looking bikes. Triumph have really come on with this one as well. I saw this one unveiled at the NEC last November, and I think the only problem is a bit of a wait on these. I've heard there's about a 9-month wait to get one from new, which me personally, I'd be too impatient to wait that long. Well, I've got to have a go at this. So if you fancy doing a wheelie, then they've got 2 bikes here that you can have a go. We've got the MT-09 and the MT-07. This is great fun, but I'll be honest, the arm pump is unbelievable after a few minutes. I thought I was just going to fall off it. So next up is Yamaha. I must say I do like these Teneres. Definitely a good adventure bike. So we've got, see, the R7 and the R1. The R7 there is to replace the R6, and apparently they're getting an R9 to replace this R1, but I know these bikes, the R7s, carry a good bit of corner speed, but the BHP's well down from the R6. But yeah, another potential track bike there. And look at this beauty. Yeah, this feels nice, this one does. I've ridden the R6 2022. This is the big brother of the two. But yeah, I definitely fancy having a spin on one of these on the track as well. Tender. I do like the feel of these. I like the seating position. There's definitely going to be more than enough power for me. 18,700. And these R7s are actually coming in at a pretty good price, to be fair. Sort of 8,700 for the R7. So good entry price. So if you're a Harley Davidson fan, then this is your area. So we've got Royal Enfield over there, and the coffee and the carvery for the snacks. Sweet stall. If you're struggling to get into your leathers, you're not going to need this area. So yeah, inside the big white tent there's got all the clothing, accessories, helmets, gloves, boots, anything like that. There seems to be plenty of stock in there. A few bargains to be had. More accessories, more clothing, paddock stands over here, tools, plenty of stalls about. Right, so Amy's just found out that these are magnetic. Well done. I went for the vegetarian option, halloumi. You definitely got to bring some money here. £24 for two halloumi wraps, but let's hope they taste nice. How was yours?
Good, thank you.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Thank God for that. So what's your favourite bike today?
Monster.
Ducati Monster. So I must admit, I do love that Panigale. It's going to be a tough choice for me. We're going to find out in a couple of days' time whether I'm going to be selling that Street Fighter or that might be my next track bike. Put the old exhaust back on. I'll be allowed on a few more tracks then. It's nice to see all the new manufacturers here. It's nice to see all the manufacturers here for a change. Yamaha weren't there at the NEC show in Birmingham, so it was nice to have a sit on a few of their bikes. Hope you liked the video, guys. We've certainly had a fantastic day out at this Devitt MCN Motorbike Festival 2022. I'm going to leave you with my pathetic attempt at the rodeo bike. If you've not subscribed, then please do so. Give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one.